Preview.
Hello friends.
Hello friends, since this is Christmas and it's a holiday season, we thought of drawing something
Related to Christmas.
something related to Christmas. And what would that be? Something that we have not yet drawn? What's that, Parikshit?
A snow globe.
A snow globe. You need to sit there and talk to your friends. What are we going to draw?
A snow globe.
A snow globe. Do you know what that snow globe is? Yes, you do, because you have one at your home too. If no, no worries, because we will be drawing it right now and you can see it there. This is going to be a very easy drawing, a fun drawing, and let's get started. As always, we need a black sketch pen, a white paper and some colors. Let's have fun together while we learn with Kids Fun Learn Club and Parikshit and Salu. Yo. Yeah? Okay. So, okay. No, don't do that. Come on, let's get started, Peter.
Okay, let's make a round circle.
Let's make a round circle.
Wait. How should I make that?
Okay.
Look, how did I make it?
Very good. Very smart way of making it.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. My globe is done. This is a snow globe, right?
Like this.
Yeah, very good. And this is the stand that would help the globe in standing on the table.
Yeah.
Yes? And now let's make some snow and a Christmas tree
And a snowman.
and a snowman. Yes? Do you know how to make a snowman? If no, then go and watch our video on the snowman. Yes. And also a Christmas tree. So you can have separate videos for how to draw a snowman and how to draw a Christmas tree. Because we will be drawing it together over here. Just follow it. Follow us. Pause the drawing if you want to. If you find it difficult, make it slow, go slowly. It's not important that you make it really good, but what is more important is that you practice. Let's get started. So we first make the snow. Okay? And now we make the snowman. Once again, a round face. Okay, Parikshit?
Yeah.
And the snowman's
Carrot nose.
carrot nose. Okay, the muffler.
Hands.
This is done. Okay, the eyes of the snowman, the carrot nose, and the mouth face, the hands. How are the hands of the snowman?
Look, Papa. Papa.
Very
A
good.
Christmas hat.
Very good. And the hat.
I don't know if the Christmas tree is going to fit.
It's okay. Make a small one. You can make a small Christmas tree, okay, Parikshit? Make a small one here.
You
I'll tell you make a small one here. Yes. I'll make a big one. You can make a small one. Right, Parikshit?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. This is done. We make the ribbons. This is the Christmas tree, and then we make the star on the Christmas tree. This is done, and now some balls. And now, because this is a snow globe, we'll make some snow. So these are the snow.
Look at the sun.
Why do we have a sun in a snow globe? No, we don't need a sun.
No, I'm just doing something. No, I want to cover it.
Okay, this is how we are gonna make the stand. Have a look at your Parikshit.
Look, the clouds are covering.
Perfect. So we are done until now. Now let's quickly color this. This is gonna be a beautiful color.
So look,
Green
sunflower.
color. We are done with this amazing drawing of the snow globe. Parikshit, are you done? Come on, show us. Show this to us fast. Christmas. Wish you all a very, very, very happy Christmas. Merry Christmas and a very, very happy New Year. Parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club to win some amazing
Goodie.
see there and say.
Well, if you want to win some goodies, please share your drawings with us on Instagram.
See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.